I've still got my squeak. It's not a problem, it's just a squeak and it's annoying. So as suggested, I'm just going to take the brakes apart and clean them up now. First, I've got to push the piston back. This one might be the problem. Tight in there. The drums are seized. So now I'm trying to undo the handbrake cable, which is a nightmare. It's right up under the van. So I've managed to get one nut off, and this one's quite tight, so I'm just going to have to keep at it. Oh, fucking cunt! Fucking hate them. Fucking stupid pivot. Fucking hell. Oh, fuck. Sake. Oh, you. Oh, finally. It all looks okay. I know these have a tendency to rust up, but it looks alright. I think the handbrake cable was just too tight. So there's a little adjuster there that you can only get to from the inside of the drum. I just wound that back. It's obviously a self-adjuster. I've just wound that back just to adjust the pads in, and it should adjust itself back up if it needs to. So if it was the shoes that were binding, which it doesn't look like, to be fair, then that should sort that problem out. Just going to give it all a good clean up now, put it all back together.